Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Smart 8 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So in this video I'll present you two different ways of blocking the number, the first one via the contact list and the second via the settings. So let's start with your contact list. Let's open it and find the contact you'd like to block and tap. Then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and simply tap on block contact. And as you can see, we've got this information. What is more, we've got this characteristic icon, and from now on we will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from this specific number. Of course, we can unblock it the same way right here, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist. So now the second way of blocking the number requires entering the settings. So let's simply tap on the settings icon in this contact section in the right upper corner. Let's tap on it. And here we've got blocked. So let's tap. Now let's tap on blacklist, and as you can see, this is the number we blocked from our contacts, so the previous option also works. And here in this section we can also add a number to the blacklist just by tapping on this plus icon. And here we've got this section where we can enter it with the usage of the keypad and then tap on add, and it will of course immediately appear on the blacklist. You can also unblock the numbers just by tapping on this trash bin icon and tapping on remove. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.